Okay. So I need to remember what we were doing last time. First of all, we're gonna have to start the bot. So let's give the bot a quick little start. Some water here. I'm gonna change to wine later. And yeah, no errors. The no response on Twitch I think was normal. There's a trading bots online. Let's say price BTC. I have to say BTC to let's see how many rands it's worth. Okay, cool. So that's still working like we expected. So what I remember from last time, there's something that I remember. The thing I remember from last time is we were lacking. I don't know what we were lacking to be. We were lacking whenever we did the Luno trade, like we should be able to buy, like if we do a buy. Okay, you know what I need? I need to get my cell phone, because my cell phone is going to have some useful information on it. Because we were able to check our balance, and that was a big one. So right now my balance, I think it tells me, hey, I'm botting. How's it going, Ghoul? Dude, what's up? Wait, did I have a balance command? Oh, it was an available command. Probably change that to balance. Oh, I don't know, dude. There we go. Luno available balances. Okay, you see they give me an amount and they do an underscore BTC underscore ETH. That was fine. Yeah, so we have no money in our account, but I do have money in my account. They're just in different wallets. So I'm just going to move them over. That should take like, I don't know, a minute or so. But yeah, dude, cool. I've been wanting to do this for ages, and I'm finally doing it, so I feel good about that. So yeah, let's see. Lost like quite a bit of money in Bitcoin today, actually. Oh, not a bit, but a bit. I didn't have that much in it. So we're going to move our money out of our account. It usually takes a few seconds. We should have 0.003 in this account once we get this right. I should make this work for like balance and available, because I feel like people might type the same thing. So let's quickly do a little update. And just down here where it says case available, we'll also do case balance. Wow, if I can spell properly. Balance. There we go. So now this happens when we do both available and balance, because I think those words mean the same thing. So we call it Luno available balances. So I think that's good. That's a pretty good thing to be doing. Obviously we're gonna have to rerun the bot for that. Is okay. I have so many plans for this channel, actually. It's crazy. It's not going to be just bot development, but just like lots of React development. So now if we do balance, here we go. In fact, we can say balances as well. Just like, because they're all the same thing. So guess I should rerun the bot again. There, balances. It all works. Oh, I did it in the wrong order. My bad. We're doing this now. Okay, fantastic. So, oh look, my Luno available balances, the Bitcoin's gone up now, so that's good. Let's just quickly in here add that as a commit. So remember what we're doing. Git commit added extra keywords. Get available account balances. There we go. Makes sense. You push that through. It's a nice little incremental update to our stuff. By the way, Ghoul, if you're around, how's the music? Is it too loud, too soft? I mean, it's supposed to be like mellow background stuff. It's just nice indie stuff. But let me know if it's too distracting or if, yeah, I don't know. Should be non-copyright, so we should be good. Barely hearing it. do you want it to be louder? I can turn it like up to there. Is that good? Just let me know if it's too loud. Is it okay? Okay, cool. That's good. It's good to hear. Right. Now I'm thinking. I'm also just giving you some time to like adjust and see whether or not it's too loud or too soft. Yeah. Okay. So my big problem right now is for the Luna API. We don't need to monitor prices the whole time. We don't need to check the prices. At the moment we do that. We monitor trades, we monitor all that stuff, which isn't actually right. When we buy, like when a buy occurs, so we shouldn't be monitoring things at the start. Like I'm gonna ditch that. We have to do anything at the start. The API should just start, right? Yeah, we don't need a start command. Sorry, I gotta think about this now. So we definitely don't need a start command. That's for sure. We're gonna clean up this function now, which is like insane. I don't know if I should make this a little bit bigger. No, it seems like a bit too much. Is this okay? You can probably see it all right. Oh, I mean, if you really wanted to see the code that we're doing, you'd see it, you know, etc. Okay, what we're gonna do in my random tunes. So I've ditched the start command, which is good. We don't need it to start monitoring stuff. That's just, you know, unnecessary. What I wanted to do, so the way it works is we monitor trades. Yeah, the music is distracting me a little bit. I'm gonna turn it down a bit. So what we're gonna do here is we've got these stupid I don't actually like this song. I'm gonna change the song. This isn't like folk music. What is that? I don't know, guys. I don't trick. That's cool. Turn it back up. There we go. Oh, I need a limiter on my mic as well. Sorry, my OBS isn't set up very nicely for my shouting. Okay, so next up, we've got this thing where we monitor trades. Now this is going to be like irrelevant down the line. It's going to be completely irrelevant down the line. Because what we want to do is we want this stuff to actually happen like on a trade that just occurs. So on a buy, I need to find it on a buy. So we do the market order, you see. But now we have to do like a to-do, make a counter order. Yeah, so we're gonna make a counter order. That's the plan. And for sell, we'll do the same thing. Is like we're gonna say to do make a counter order. Guess these should be else ifs, right? Yeah, what the heck? Else ifs, and then whatever happens now after this, we'll do a return. But we'll say do make a counter order. So this is going to be a make a counter buy order to buy slightly more. I think that's the plan. Cool. I don't like brackets on these one-line things, so we're going to ditch those. Fantastic. Okay, so we've got that there. Let's start with the counter buy order. Let's say we're selling because we do have Bitcoin to sell now. So the way this should work, we ditch the monitor prices. Do we even need monitor prices at all? No, we don't. Because we'll know the orders that we're making. We'll say the asset and we'll say the minimum Bitcoin volume, and we should theoretically be able to work it out. I guess over there we do some working out there. Crazy. I don't know what to do with the buy. Let's hide the buy for now. So when we sell, we want to buy back and make it a market order. No, post order. What is it called? Limit order. Limit order to buy back 0.0. I think it's 0.3% higher. Yeesh, I can't remember this stuff now. Did I want it to be 0.3% or 0. Oh shit. Let's see, what were we doing before? I guess if we, no, why let's comment it out. We're not using it clearly, right? I have to remember so many things. Round price to pair, round price. Okay, the spread, 0.2. Oh, so the spread is actually going to be what we're going to do. Because the spread is the thing we'll do the change. Spread is the change we'll make across, like, you know, bidding. So if we go back down here. I feel like so unorganized. At spread percent. Spread percent higher. So I actually feel like, yeah, we do have to do that in here. Unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately, it's just going to be easier. You know, we'll know what to do. This dot limit order. We haven't got an API for limit orders, do we? Yeah, let's make that there. So we're probably going to need to make a limit order thing. Yeah. These are else ifs and stuff. Oh shit. Don't need that there. Let's just console.log work in progress in there so that it doesn't hide this when we save it, you know. Right. So what we need now, the monitor trades is a bit pointless. We're probably gonna get rid of it sometime soon. Fetch tickers, completely pointless. We don't need that for anything. We don't really need fetch trades either, but that works with part of this monitor trades. So the market order thing is where we really need to. It's a post order. I guess the limit order, post order, same thing. So we do have a post order. So I must not run the bot right now. I'm keeping the bot offline because I don't want to screw this up. But we want to await this dot post order. I guess in the market order, do we say anything in the market order? Do we make any like messages? I guess we don't really say anything. We should make the bot say two things. On the market order, we should say, I don't know how we're going to say it, to be honest. How do we usually say it? Oh. Sorry, I'm going to look at the side here. Let's see, what do we do for available command? So we can say client.say. Where do we get client from? The client is something we can actually just import. I'm sure we've already imported that here. So we can say import client.say. Okay. That's all we say, right? We say client.say and we've got to say channel as well. And I've got channel already. So good. Wait, why don't I not? I guess we gotta say if no channel, then don't do anything. Right. If no channel, return, because then something's definitely gone wrong, you know. Don't want to do anything if there's no channel, so don't even bother with the API call. And we can say successfully, just say that for now, successfully sold I guess we got to say that amount. min Bitcoin volume to string. Min BTC volume. Oh shit. Yeah, wait, we do need to say that. We need to say the .to string. I think. So we'll say the min BTC. It's a market order though. So you might want to see what price we sold it at. Oh, that could be a problem. For oh, that's a real problem actually. Because do we get a return from that when we do a market order? Oh, that's a problem, guys. That's like actually a legit problem because we're probably gonna have to fetch our trade. We're gonna have to set a time here, and then I have to sneeze, like I just did. Yo, because I don't know if doing a market order if it gives me an actual response. We'll have to look at the Lunar API. Look at the Lunar API docs here. Kind of like all over the place with this one. Because I need to know what price to calculate to send higher. I've already got an API key, the API documentation there. I'm not a big fan of this playlist. I'm going to look up non-copyright indie playlist. Because this one's a bit... I'm not impressed. Try the summer list. That might be more upbeat. Let's go. Let's see if this sucks or not. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Got some tunes going, you know. Sorry, I don't know if it's just me who's bothered by that. Okay, the API specification. Go down to market order. Oh, not what I meant to do. Over here, we need to do F market. Market data. Not data. We just want to get market order. Orders, list trades, post market order. That's great. Okay, cool. So we're gonna do a market order. Did we get any returns? Response, just okay. We get a response, which is an order ID. Okay, so we can get an order ID. Okay, and that will tell me the price of everything, which is fantastic. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have to fool around with this, but theoretically we should get an order ID from this. So if we go to the market order, it should return the order ID, which it does. Okay, we already have that going for us. So we have to say const order ID equals await. Yeah. So that's the order ID. And then we have to fetch an order basically. So we're gonna do one called get order. We're gonna have to make a new private async. Private async get order. Get order is what we're gonna call it. Is this? Oh, okay. Sorry, let's go up here. My bad. That's why it's freaking out. Yeah, this is also gonna be a promise, but it's gonna return like a full order. As far as I know. So, I mean, let's just turn unknown for now. And we're going to need the order ID in here. to be a string. We can't not have an order ID in there. And then we'll do our whole try catch as usual. Start off with that pattern. Have an E in there and say throw new error. We'll just say failed to get order, and then we'll put in the actual order ID there. And maybe we I mean, let's just follow the same pattern there. We do that, and then we say order ID, and then we'll do an e.message. It'd be good. I think it's just freaking out about the spacing. Just say const res equals true. Yeah, let's save that. Okay, progress. This is complaining we're not using this, and this is complaining that we don't return anything. That's fine. So the response should actually be await fetch, and then I'm gonna take this over here. This, I guess I should do what I did here, API/1. Yeah, and then we have slash order ID, I think. Yeah, order ID. And yeah, second parameter will be headers authorization, which doesn't change. That's cool. That's the same across everywhere. The same method. There's going to be a get. Yeah, we've saved that. Working. Responses, we wait for that. Yes, we're gonna log these responses as a start, and then we'll say if there's no response, then say okay, and then we'll throw a new error. We'll say, you know, there was no response. Yeah, cool. Failed to get order. I mean, it's the same freaking error message, really. Order ID, that should be order ID. I will just say failed to get order ID, do the same thing. Just without an error message, really. All it is. That's unlikely to happen, but it could happen. And then we say const order, I guess, and equals await response.json. Or I guess we're just return order once we get it. The order should basically be this. Do we have an interface for orders? Base complete times. Okay, we don't have it. It should be alphabetical because of OCD. We'll move ticket down there and make a one up here. Interface order. Okay, all those just be like this. Plastic state pending type bid. Oh yeah, that's all I can really say here. I don't know if these types will change, but this is what I expect them to be. Yeah, let's stick the order in over here. Fantastic. Okay. So next up. Okay, we got that. We've got the private async get order, which is good. That works. Okay, so back up here. It's a const get order. So I'm going to make one order, and I'm going to use that as my test for this whole thing. We'd have to say const get order. The const await or const order equals await. Then we'll say this dot get order. We'll use the order ID that we got from that. And then we're going to console.log our order. Because I don't know what the heck's going on. So what we're going to do, we're going to sell Bitcoin. We're going to sell a piece of Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to sell some Bitcoin. How are we going to sell our Bitcoin? Through the bot. Now we can run the bot. We'll start the bot. We'll say sell BTC. Because we're selling it for US dollars. That's how the sell BTC is going to work. Oh shit. Yeah, first of all, I need to close this. Okay, the sell worked. My phone says that we have sold a fraction of Bitcoin for at a price. Yeah. Something else happened here. The order has not been found. Okay. What if we... Okay, that's weird. Maybe we have to wait. Maybe we have to wait a little bit. So what if we start the bot now? I just say like on sell BTC, we take that ID. We'll take this ID, we'll stick it in here. And instead of making the market order to sell BTC, we rerun the bot. Because now we've got to figure this out. And see if we needed to wait. Because if that's the case, then we can put a natural wait in there. To just wait like, 10 seconds for that sell to happen. Because the market order could take time. So let's see now. Sell BTC. Not found. Ugh. Because I'm wondering if the market order consists of multiple... this is weird. Let's see. Because we post a market order, right? We post it, and our response is literally an order ID. We got the order ID back, like we know that worked. But then we're using an order ID here. I figure use list orders, but we've tried to use that to get this order, and it didn't work. Didn't quite work, which why is this not happening? Why is this happening to me? Trying to figure this out really. And this excites me. My phone starts like vibrating saying you've done orders. Why? Yeah, no response from Twitch, that's normal. Yeah, this response, I mean, based off of what it says here, the URL looks correct. It's the way we do order. Oh no, we did this wrong. We're supposed to API 1/orders. Yes. Okay, cool. We figured out the problem. So down here on the Luno client, this is supposed to be /orders. Fantastic. Helps if I read the docs, right? Helps if I read the docs. Okay. Guess I can make that small again. And we should be able to restart the bot. Be able to go to Twitch. And we should be able to sell Bitcoin without actually selling. Now we're just using an existing order. We'll go back to actually properly selling later, which is all good. Okay, we got this stuff. So it consists of multiple trades, often, which does complicate things because it's a market order. So the trade, what we'll have to do is we'll have to get the volume. What will we have to do? We'll have to like add all the volumes together to get the total volume that we want to buy for. Or actually what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the top price. When we're selling, we want to find the highest price. Oh wait, I've messed up my comments here. So this here, buy back the spread higher. No, we want to buy back the spread lower on a successful sell. Helps if you're not drunk, you'll lose a lot of money. Or drinking water, but yeah. Okay. So we're just gonna say, like, you know, for simplicity's sake, we'll say we successfully sold it at this price for that many USDC. Okay, like we're gonna map through the trades. Like the actual trades. I need to really look at this though. I think we need to change our order thing here. See, so we have an order ID, which is good. A string creation timestamp is actually a number. We can use the most up to date instead of the docs. There's an expiration timestamp, which is also a number. Completed timestamp is another number. So I'm gonna say completed timestamp. I wish they kept their documentation up to date. Oh no, wait, it's already there. I'm just pretty stupid. Yeah, there's a number. Type we can have bid or sell, clearly. State, pending or complete. I'm hoping that it's complete in general. But if it's a market order, it should be complete. I could just spell it right. Date, yeah, we got that. Limit price is a number. Limit volume, number, but it's like strings. Base string, counter string, fee base, fee counter strings, pair. Also going to be a string in the end. Trades. Okay. Well, the pair is actually there. Do we have a pairs list? XBT to USDC. Yeah, well, pair is going to be this. Kind of has to be. I'll probably move pair to the top, actually. I'm going to move this up. Get my types before my interfaces, because my interfaces are going to consist of types. So, yeah, we got that. But then the one thing we're missing here is trades. Trades. And trades are going to be an array. But what array are they going to be of? Is this a trade? I mean, I think we're just going to have to say array. Put the value in here. We have sequence. Give me a number. And we're going to have timestamp. The number is alphabetically. Price will be a string. I mean, it's actually a number, but it's represented in a string format. A volume. I guess volume will have as a string as well, even though it's a number. It's string. Is by. Very strange. The Boolean, I guess. Probably not going to use that, but we have that there now for the up-to-date types, which is good. Okay, so what we want to do now is when we buy something, okay, we can theoretically go back to order IDs now. I can theoretically uncomment that. We need to get, like, we need to go and get the top, get highest price. So we say const highest price equals get highest price from the order.trades. Okay, get highest price is going to be a little function we stick up here. Function get highest price. I do need to put this into we'll say order trades. That's what we're going to call it. Call it an order trade. Interface order trade. There we go. We have an order trade. And we'll call this an order trade. Will be an array. And yeah. Let's see. I'm just doing my thing. Okay. So this is bar should be up here. Okay, so we have order trades. Good. Sorted that out. So now I can say trades in here. Oh, that's not what I meant to say. Trades, and it's gonna be order trades. And what we're gonna put in here, we want to get a string out of it in the end. So, I mean not a cap string, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through let highest price equal trades at 0, and what happens when you hang on, I just need to do this is more efficient. JavaScript remove first value of array. Shift method removes the first item of an array. The return value of the shift method is the removed item. Okay, cool. So we can actually say raise.shift to get the first item from the array. It's pretty cool, slightly more efficient. So we've got that, and we'll say turn that to a number. There's got to be a number, unfortunately. In the end, we're going to return highest trade or highest price, and this dot shift dot we're going to get the price. There will probably be a thing in here. We just say if trades dot length bigger than. What are we doing, really? There has to be a trade in there. There has to be a trade in there. Like, there won't not be a trade in there. If there's not a trade in there, then we're screwed. Okay, cool. So we have highest price. In the end, it's going to be .toString. Change it back to a string. And then we're going to say trades dot for each. And we'll say if. Again, we'll probably get the price out of this. If price is bigger than highest price, then highest price is going to equal price. Good. You have to call that a number. Actually just call it const num price equals number price. So theoretically, we're not converting it to a number price. We'll just say num price. And then over here, we'll say a num price, which is cool. And in the end, we'll have the highest price, theoretically. So that way we just say we successfully sold this for, you know, the highest price underscore USD or USDC. Sorry, I'm used to doing some other wacky stuff. Okay, cool. So we should be able to do the same with Ethereum. So we still need to make it like a lower thing, but at least we can do the const order ID thing here. And in the end say we successfully sold ETH for, and we'll say minimum ETH volume. That was the actual amount. For that much. Okay, that's great. And then we need to do the counter offer where we calculate what the counter offer is, which we have those calculations. We just, yeah, don't really know what we're doing with them. So hopefully Bitcoin's going down while I'm doing this. So what I want to do now, start my bot up again. And we're going to sell Bitcoin again, but then we're going to do the successfully sold Bitcoin for this much. So we'll say sell BTC. So we successfully, give it some time, successfully sold that much Bitcoin for that much USDC, which is perfect because that's actually what I think happened. Traded, sold for 0.27 USDC. That is great. That is actually great. So I'm pretty happy about that. Theoretically, I can use that USDC to buy some Bitcoin. Yeah, currently we can only buy and sell Bitcoin and ETH, which is fine. We only want to do that for now. We'll probably do some other stuff later. But essentially, we've got that out the bag. I guess I want to see if the same thing does work with the USD ETH. So I'm going to buy some Ethereum using Bitcoin. So I'm just going to do that on my phone quickly. Theoretically, we should be able to just buy it here. Let's say buy ETH, see if that works. Hopefully that works. No current ETH asking price. Cannot fulfill ETH buy order. What? What do you mean there's no current ETH asking price? Did I write that somewhere? No current. Oh, because we used to use the ticker for buying. But we don't want to. We want to do a market order though. I don't understand this. Why do we have this? Oh, I guess I needed to know if I had enough funds. Okay. Look, we don't need to do the ticker thing the whole time. Do we? Oh, I shouldn't have taken out my tickers. Wow, okay. So I do actually need... I need that. Why didn't I do that for calculating the Because yeah, at the top here, at the top of this function, I have a prices. Okay, I need the start function back. Okay, we're gonna go to GitHub. Because this is on GitHub. And figure this out. We have to figure out what's wrong. I just haven't been in GitHub for ages. Let me do this on the side. Shows you how much of a sort of weird sabbatical vibe I've been on. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. Okay. So which trading bot? It's pretty much private project. Let's view the code. So there was inside here we had a Luna API. We had a start function. Let's put that back in. Can I call it public? It's public by default, so we don't have to call it public. Yeah, we don't have to monitor trades. We just want to monitor prices, which means we need to get the monitor prices one back in here. Because, you know, why not? Why freaking not? Let's put that right at the top. Actually, we don't want to put it right at the top because the buys and sells need to be, you know. These monitor and fetch trades, they're going to go away soon. We just want to keep them there for now. As like, you know, something as a reference. Yeah, fetch tickers. Oh, I got rid of fetch tickers as well. Yeah, we need to get that back in. Okay. Do fetch tickers, stick them back in there. Yes, yeah, we don't actually end up doing anything weird with that. Okay, so theoretically, I should be able to buy in again. But that's interesting. That means my I don't calculate if I have enough Bitcoin. Because I do it with Ethereum. Like I do a check. Const volume equals round units to pair. So I know how to buy. What? Oh, is it because I need to calculate the number of USD required to buy? Wait, I need to look at something quick. I need to look at this. Okay, so for USDC, ETH to USDC and BTC to USDC. That's confusing. I don't think I need that. I mean, I think I need to do a calculate. Because I need to say the minimum ETH volume. Because there's always going to be like a minimum. Ah, dude, I'm confused. Did I do it with the buying? Sorry. I'm just thinking. Using. Let's see if we can do min ETH volume. I don't know how I missed that. Let's see if I can do this. And let's see if it complains. My bad. Yeah, I'm very confused. I'm quite confused by what I've actually done in the past. I've literally... What? Min ETH volume. What's wrong with this? I'd have to say toString. Okay. Let's go. Because the min ETH volume should be... Yeah, it should be the same all the time. I don't know why I did that math. I think I did that math before and then realized I didn't have to do that math. I don't know, guys. But maybe this is used for the price part as well. That's what the tickers thing is for. Oh, that's what I actually wanted to do. I didn't need to do this price commands anymore because I could just get it from here. Yeah, that's the thing I wanted to do. I wanted to use price, like hook this API, the Luna API, up to the price command. Interesting. That's cool. Okay, let's see. So theoretically, I need to run this again. And we need to buy ETH. Let's do it. Buy some ETH. Okay, there we go. So it complains that I'm doing that. So it just says bad request. So I think that's because I mean, it just says bad request. Maybe this request that I was making before was right. I mean, it was probably right. That's probably why I did it the first time. So I wonder what the right request is. Unless I just don't have enough USDC to buy it. Do I have USDC in my bank account? I'm just looking quick. I have 55 USDC. Okay, and we're gonna say, let's see how much the minimum amount of ETH costs. Oh, sorry, my app is a bit slow. We'll figure it out, we'll figure it out. Oh, it's because Ethereum went up like crazy. So I can buy 0.01 US dollars. I want to buy. And the amount of ETH I need, 0.01. I need $3. So I just bought some ETH for $3. So I should be able to. I should be able to just buy. And that's 0.001. If I had a market order. Oh, I have to give it in US dollars. So the ask. The current asking price. Okay. Times minimum ETH. Okay. Yeah, so the current highest price. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna be able to do it now theoretically. But let's just restart the app because I've had to do some things there. Yeah, damn, dude. Okay. So let's see if we can buy ETH now. We are buying ETH. No current ETH asking price. Cannot fulfill ETH buy order. What do you mean there's no asking price? I didn't start the freaking monitoring bot at the start. Okay. Lino API.start. There we go. Because that needs to give me yeah, something. Such a pain. You get better at this. Okay, we're buying Ethereum. So then when it's done, to do another call, did one call, and we should say successfully bought. Okay, well, I mean, it happened. It did successfully buy, and I can successfully buy more, but why didn't it message me there what I bought? That's weird. Read soon. I'm just confused why this didn't happen. It should say that it successfully sold. Why did it not successfully sell though? Was that this market order happened where it did a buy for ETH USDC and it needed to get an order. Didn't it get the order? Come on. Yeah, let's try that again once more. Buy ETH. Okay, we did the buy. The buy worked, but then it doesn't get the order afterwards. What the flip? And if I buy Bitcoin? Oh wait, we know how to buy ETH. We want to learn how to sell ETH. We've only built this thing for the selling. Sell ETH. Let's see if we can sell ETH. Okay, and then a second one. And then we will say successfully sold 1 ETH for yes. Yes! Okay. Now the thing is, when we buy ETH, we want to say we successfully bought ETH. Yeah. First of all, the successfully sold will be sold in caps. And the buys, we need to set up the buys. So we need to, when a buy occurs, we have to do the whole client say thing. Again, same thing. If there's no channel, we return because something is definitely wrong. Successfully bought in BTC for we're gonna need the same price thing that we did before, but now we're gonna need a lowest price. Okay, we say order ID const order ID. This is some good progress because we're logging now, so we can at least understand what's going on. The lowest price. Say the lowest price we bought so that we can sell. Wait a second. Oh, crap. So when we successfully buy something, we want to find the highest price that we bought it at so we can sell higher. So we should say highest price here. That's good. We're getting my stuff mixed up. So we successfully bought at the highest price. That's good. But I need to do the lowest price as well. Yeah, but let's do this. Copy paste underneath here. Const order ID. We'll just do some creative things here. The highest price is good after a buy. We successfully bought it for the highest price. I mean, like, my wording sounds a bit weird here, but hear me out. Okay, so we need to have a get lowest price as well. Okay. Lowest price. Lowest. And we want to say if the price is smaller than the lowest price, then the lowest price becomes price. Okay, cool. So now back in our sell thing, lowest price. That. Okay. All good. So pretty happy about that. Theoretically now, we should be able to buy and sell and have it at least log correctly, which I'm pretty amped about. So now, what did we say was work in progress? WIP. Oh, yeah. That doesn't have to be work in progress anymore. Okay. So now if I sell ETH, ooh. Oh shit. I mean, oh crap. Yeah, something's not right with selling ETH. What if we buy ETH? Okay, successfully bought 1 ETH for that. Now if we sell ETH. Oh, now it works. I think we just didn't have enough ETH. Okay, we need to do some price checking later. Yeah, I'm buying and selling and losing money as we speak. And we can buy Bitcoin, right? I probably don't have enough money to buy Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, something went wrong here. Yeah, I probably need to check what the prices are and how much I have and stuff and do a price check there. See if we can sell BTC. Okay. Successfully sold Bitcoin for that. And then we're going to have a successful buy of Bitcoin, I think. Yeah, something's still wrong with the buy. Do I need to sell more Bitcoin? I just want to see if it's just the pricing that's the problem. Because we were able to buy Ethereum. Okay, so something's wrong with our buying function for Bitcoin. What is wrong with our buying function? Let us see. Okay, so for Bitcoin, when we buy, what's wrong here? Counter volume type buy XBT to USDC. I mean, that's fine, right? How do we buy Ethereum? I don't know. Let's just check my phone again. Do I have enough? Yes, I definitely didn't buy any Bitcoin. The only thing I bought was Ethereum. Okay, let's do a quick check. If we want to buy Bitcoin using USD and we do a market order. Oh, I also have to say the amount of USDC that I want to spend to buy. Okay. So theoretically, I need to do this whole thing on the Bitcoin side as well. So there we go. That works out the volume. And then I'm going to have to say the volume here, and we're going to say a minimum BTC volume there. No current BTC asking price. And a full BTC. Okay, so theoretically, now, if I try to buy BTC, it should work. And if that does work, then I think this is a good time to call the video here and give it an end. So yeah, definitely thank you for watching. There, buy BTC. Get that right. Flip. The counter volume. What's wrong with that counter volume? It was 1.9911. That's wrong. Yeah, the ask here. Flip. Because what do we do down here? We say ask and we say times minimum ETH volume. And the asking price. This is confusing. So I'm saying that volume, right? Like, what's the asking price of Bitcoin right now should be like, I don't know, calculator, like it should be 55,000 divided by 0. What is it? What value do I have here? 0.005. I mean times, sorry, multiplied by. What is this? 27.5. So why do we... Oh, it's because that's ETH USDC. It should be BTC USDC. Okay, that makes sense. Figured it out. Okay, so theoretically now, if we start this again, we should have the buying under control. And then after that, we need to say automatically created a sell order. And that's where we're really going to start getting this to work. So we say buy BTC. That worked, and we successfully bought like 0.0005. That was right. Correct. Minimum Bitcoin value. There's too many noughts in there. Four. That's not what happened there, is it? That is what happened. 3 noughts. Oh, okay, I'm just seeing like doubles and stuff. There are 3 noughts there. That's good. Okay. Well, this works, guys. I'm going to turn off the bot before you guys spend all my money. And yeah. Fixed buying and selling. I think at the top I should just have a to-do here. Like just a straight up to-do right at the top. To-do. Check current balance before attempting to buy and sell. There we go. Because we can see the balance. No, we can't see it now. I've killed the bot. But like theoretically, if we start it up quickly, we can see the balance because we fixed that earlier. See what we have in our account now. We have some Bitcoin, we have some Ethereum, we have some USDC. The USDC should be rounded off though. Where do we get that? I guess that happens in the available commands. I mean, I guess we can see like, yeah, probably just be 2. I think it should be 2. Yeah. Probably for the best. Because yeah, I don't know. Like the Bitcoin matters, like that 6 digits matters, 5 digits for Ethereum matters, but USDC, like, I mean, like that's all we're gonna get, right? Kind of like all we're gonna need. So yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, let's see that. Let's quickly see it in action. Balance, good. Okay, I don't have any like friends to really raid right now, so I'm glad that's working. Yeah, I don't have any friends to raid, guys. I think who we should raid then. I think I should start looking around. Let's like look for crypto people. See if any crypto dev kind of people are out there. People who are alive. They bring a Monday night relaxing. I don't know what to do, guys. Like, I don't know if these guys suck or not. Looking for a person to hit up. I don't really want to go to a crypto pumping channel either, you know. Maybe I just want to go to like a reactive. Let me type in React.js, because that's kind of more like what I'm doing, or what I might be doing. This guy's Portuguese. I mean, this is a live Portuguese, like, you know, dude who just does like. Let's do NodeJS, because that's actually what we're doing. NodeJS, is there anyone who's streaming NodeJS? Nope, there's no one. Okay, there's some Portuguese dude who's doing React right now. So let's hit him up with the raid. His name is Malkinho TV. So yeah, let's just do it. MELKINHO TV. Don't know who this dude is, but you know, he's doing the content that I would usually do. So let's show him some love, guys. Thank you so much for being here. as usual, I really appreciate it. It's been really cool. I'm definitely looking forward to doing some more of this. And yeah, we'll chat soon. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Really, really, I'm grateful to be here. Anyways, cheers. Bye.